Refining your prompt crafting skills can enhance your effectiveness with Microsoft Copilot. It all starts with a clear objective, then followed by providing the necessary context, setting expectations for the desired response, and following best practices. So, you might be wondering, what are the best practices when writing a prompt? First, be specific. The more details you offer, the better Copilot can tailor its service to your needs. For instance, if you're requesting an image of a dragon, don't just type "create a dragon," but describe its color, size, and the environment it inhabits. Is it perched atop a mountain at sunset? Each detail contributes to a more accurate and vivid creation. Choose your style. Copilot offers 3 distinct styles to cater to your needs: more creative, more precise, and more balanced. If you're writing a science fiction story, opt for more creative. For factual information, more precise will serve you well. And for a mix of both, more balanced offers the perfect harmony. Prioritize accuracy. When precision is important, make sure to guide Copilot with clear and concise prompts. Whether it's summarizing a specific article or explaining a complex concept, the right prompt ensures an accurate response. Customize your experience. Copilot is versatile, catering to both novices and experts alike. Frame your questions to suit your level of understanding, from simple explanations to tackling advanced topics. Switching topics. If you're changing the subject, simply select New Topic in Copilot. This feature gives Copilot a new start, keeping your conversations focused and free from confusion. Control the length. You have the power to set the length of Copilot's responses. If you require more information, just prompt Copilot to elaborate. Embrace variety. Copilot isn't limited to text. It can present information in tables, outlines, and even diagrams, enriching your experience with a visual dimension that goes beyond mere words. Let's see how this works. Let's say you want to send out an email to your team about a project update. You're running short on time and could really use some assistance with crafting a draft email. So you open Microsoft Copilot to help you with this. You decide to select the precise style because you want Copilot to be factual and precise. You also want the email to be shorter with simpler sentences that avoid unnecessary details. You then craft a clear and specific prompt. Compose a concise, professional, and appreciative email to my team. The email should celebrate our completion of the design phase, announce the transition to the development phase of our mobile app project, and encourage continued hard work. Please keep it to the point. In just a few seconds, you can have a draft email ready to send to your team. This not only saves you time during a busy day, but also allows you to focus on other important tasks. Remember, effective prompting is rooted in the clarity and specificity of your questions, as well as the thoughtful construction of your inquiries. With these best practices, you'll harness the full potential of Microsoft Copilot, making every interaction more productive and enjoyable.